Hey there, I'm Luke the Cookin' Camper, and today we are going to be doing things a little bit differently. First off, Xena the Glamper Camper is chilling back at home, and second off, we are going to be using an air fryer today. This is just a basic air fryer and it just plugs in, and today we are going to be making taco tots. So all we need is some tater tots, a lime, some taco seasoning, olive oil, and then we've got some colby-jack. So first, we are just going to measure out our tater tots and put them into a bowl. And right on top of those tater tots, we are just going to put on some olive oil. And we're going to do a tablespoon of taco seasoning. And we will just slice this right in half. We are going to use the juice from half of this lime. So now we can just stir all that up. So now you're just going to take out the basket to your air fryer. Now mine has a basket in the bottom so that if there's any grease or extra oil, it will drain. And then you will just drop in your tots. Turn your air fryer on in the highest setting, so it will be on 400. We'll put it on 10 minutes, and every couple of minutes we will shake it up. So our tater tots have been in for 2 minutes, and you can see that they're starting to cook. So what I like to do is just give it a shake, and we will pop that back in. So our air fryer just finished, and after 10 minutes, that is what they look like. So now the next step is we are just going to take our colby-jack cheese, and we are just going to sprinkle it right on top. And then we are just going to pop it back in the air fryer for just a couple of minutes to melt that cheese. And again, we'll put it on the highest temperature. So after about 2 to 3 more minutes in the air fryer, that is what our cheesy taco tots look like. If you like this recipe, I hope that you give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Definitely try out this recipe and tell us what you think of it. They are so good. Have a great one.